How to stop seeing the random stories on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can stop seeing the random stories on your Snapchat. So to stop seeing the random stories on your Snapchat, you can adjust your setting to limit the content you want to view. Here's how you can do that. First of all, you have to launch up your Snapchat app on your device. Once you have launched your Snapchat here, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top right corner of the screen to access the setting. And here you have to scroll down and go for the manage option. Here you have to scroll down and here you have to go for the view my story. So just go for the view my story and you can set it to the custom here. Also, you can go back and you have to scroll down here. So once you are on your setting, you have to scroll down and tap on the view my stories. Once you are on your view my story, here you can control who can see your story. So you can select the my friend, or you can select the custom option to limit your story viewers to just your friend, where you can like to reduce the likelihood of random stories appearing. Also, you can go back into the setting and look for the manage section here, and just go here. You can see that, so here you have to just go for the stories. If random stories appear here, you have to mute that story. So so you have to just go for the person like option here and tap on that. So if you want to mute this story, just click here and just tap on the three dot or go for the notification option here. So story notification here you have to turn it off. So turn off here. So if you don't want to see the story of some specific person, just tap on that and go for the mute option here. Just mute it. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily manage your random stories on your Snapchat. By following this step, you can significantly reduce the random stories you see on your Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.